It's 23:22 on the 14th of February 2003. We've got very strong Iranian reception, Troco, here in Karachi, Pakistan. This is channel E21 and the logo is at the top left. Consists of 3 lines, the first line slightly longer than the other 2, and it's in gold. Hopefully the colour will come out. It's in CCAM colour on my LG Colour TV. Hopefully we've got the logo now. Put it in the middle of the picture. There's audio in Farsi now. Well, it's a moment or two later. We're now on E8. This is another Iranian station. The logo is again at the top left, but it's different to the other one. Unfortunately, there's a lot of cars passing tonight, with it being a holiday week, and today's Friday as well. And that's what all the speckles are. The picture's just about perfect. There is a floater on it. Could be Oman, but I'm not sure. Tape ran out in my VHS video recorder, that's why I'm using the camcorder. Try zooming in on the logo. Hopefully I've got the logo in the middle of the picture. It's like 3 sides of a square with a solid circle in the middle. Again, it's gold in colour.
بازهای 4 و 5 این طرح به منظور تولید روزانه 50 میلیون متر مکعب گاز طبیعی جهت مصارف داخلی و صادرات و همچنین
Looks like it's some sort of holiday resort or housing complex. Yeah, the float is coming out now. Looks like Oman. I can see the Oman logo, but it's in the wrong place. It's on its way back to where it should be at the top right. Just pause there. Okay, it's a moment later. We're now on E12. This is looking pretty gruesome. It's a drama, I think. It's that famous logo at the top right that looks like 2 chevrons. The chevron on the left is bent over slightly. I'll zoom in there. There's a logo. I never had it clearly in Botswana when I had this station via TEP on E2. But that's the symbol. Picture's pretty gruesome. They just slit a dog's throat, I think. Pause there. Here's something interesting on channel E23. Unfortunately there's some QRM on this channel, but I can see a logo at the top left, or I could see it. Not much I can do. You can see how strong the QRM is, but there was definitely some sort of coloured logo at the top left then. Just pause. Well, this is channel E11, it's Oman. An ad for Oman cables, and there's a few logos. The logo's at the top right. I'm just using an FM dipole. It's not quite pointing the right way. This would be perfect. I'll have to get a band 3 aerial, see what we can do. I don't think UHF aerials are available here. Everyone's got cables, so aerials aren't very common. I see a few very old ones on rooftops, but no new one. I've seen some band 3 multi-element one with about 13 elements. Perhaps they're still available. We've got plenty of them. I've got E23 a bit clearer. There's a logo at the top left. It might say Bahrain, but I'm not sure. It's like Bahar 1.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء وخاتم المرسلين سيدنا وحبيبنا محمد وعلى آله الطيبين الطاهرين وأصحابه المنتجبين. اللهم صل على محمد وعلي وفاطمة والحسن والحسين والأئمة المعصومين من ذرية الحسين صلاة كثيرة دائمة زاكية. مشاهدينا الأفاضل أينما كنتم، السلام عليكم جميعا ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته، وطابت وسعدت أوقاتكم بكل خير وسرور.